OMG! Okay, excuse my excitement, but I made a really big girl purchase yesterday. Bag is dripping. A really big girl purchase yesterday. So big, it's busting out the bag type big. And I'm so excited because it is real big girl for me. I've never in my entire life owned a blow dryer. And for my very first one, the Dyson. I'm excited. As I told you, I've never owned a blow dryer, meaning I don't really know how to do hair. I don't really know how to do hair. I don't know how to do hair. I have approximately 30 minutes to blow out my hair. It's already dry because I bought the Dyson yesterday. Washed my hair yesterday. Oh, this is the unboxing. We're unboxing it. Can you see? Trying to see what you can see. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. I might make the unboxing a separate video and just go straight to the hair. I suppose this must be the blow dryer itself. Look at that. I'm TK, by the way. I have a Los Angeles lifestyle blog named Around LA with TK. Here on YouTube, I post all sorts of things from beauty to some blog stuff to some interviews, whatever. We're trying to figure it out. We're trying to see what you like, and then we'll go with that. But I'm TK, and they engraved it for me at the Dyson store. That's a perk of doing it with Dyson. Wow. The cleanliness. And if you're wondering why there's only one dot, that's because that's the European way. And I said, okay, can you put 2 dots? And they said, we can do whatever you want. Then I said, well, let me go with the traditional way that the company intended. Anyway, that's off the subject. How do you open it? I think everything's magnetic. Oh. Ooh. It's the smoothness for me. Is that too bright? Is it shining, 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 shining? It's just beautiful. And the case is beautiful. Ooh. I'm not promoting Dyson at all. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love beautiful things. So inside of the case, we then have, maybe I should have set this better to record all of the attachments. What is this? Oh, this is the power cord. And this is an attachment. All my attachments better be in here. What is this? The rule book. So this is the power cord. Even the power cord is pretty. I see YouTubers doing that where they be like, even the power cord is pretty. Look at this. Nice paper instead of raggedy plastic. I am for details. Okay. Let's see. This over here. Let's get into the rest of the box. Hopefully I don't go out of the frame. I'm kind of looking in what the frame is catching and kind of not. Why did I decide to do this right before work? I don't know. What's in here? Oh, nothing. Placeholder. I'm like a kid on Christmas. I'm so excited about this blow dryer. I'm so happy I was able to get it. These are the 4 original attachments. Let's see inside of here. I'm a girl for packaging. Yes, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Ooh, they're all in their spot. This one does flyaways. After your hair is already dry, the technology pulls the longer hair outward and pushes the shorter hair inward, concealing flyaways. This one is the diffuser. It has all sorts of paper in it. I'm not going to take it out right now because I'm not about to use it. We'll just put those things over here and get to the one I'm using today. This one, the comb. The wide tooth comb made for various hair textures. Marketing towards the This is the one I'll be using today, so let's put that over there. Instruction manual, yep. Okay, I'll have to clean up when I get home. Okay. Do not eat. And then, because I bought directly from Dyson, which I started to buy from Neiman's because I have my girl at Neiman's, Santi, that I like to support in her business. But they didn't have the color I wanted. They didn't have the pink body. And another perk with shopping from Dyson directly, they had a gift set available. I think Nordstrom had the same gift set available too that comes with the case. The pink body that comes with the case. But Dyson had an additional paddle brush. Is it focusing? And, oh, you hear that? Oh, oh. See, this is why I can never get ready on time. This is why. And a comb. All with the Dyson branding as well. Details. The devil is in the details. Peekaboo. Okay, TK. Let's get started. That's the Dyson unboxing. How long has this video been? It's been 8. Does that say 8 minutes? Girl, I took 8 minutes to open this box. Okay, I'll make that its own video. I'm gonna power this one down and tune in to the next video for my first time blow drying my thick, kinky, coarse, natural type 4 hair later. Stop recording. Come on.